Welcome to the last video of the 6-part series teaching you how to create and memorize reports on QuickBooks effectively and efficiently. Now on to a few of the special reports. We cover one of these reports in the group of 5 sample reports we created in these tips. It gives the transaction for our bank balance, our TelPay account, and our bank loan account for the current month and the next 12 days so that we are always managing our cash. We have some transactions processed 1 month before their date. We do this for payroll because it is our biggest expense. Some other special reports we create are reports for clients where we report all the accounts related to long-term debt on one schedule. Current portion of a debt, accrued interest, and interest expense. It is an excellent tool for training new accountants in relating debt to interest and the flow-through of a balance sheet account to the profit and loss. A great example is using QuickBooks to prepare donation receipts for a charity. This is beyond the scope of these tips, but it gives you an example of what you can do with QuickBooks reporting. Almost every report you create once, you will need again. Memorize it in the appropriate report group. We suggest that you memorize each report at least twice to make sure you can find it and to make sure that you can use it. There are other reasons. One reason is that QuickBooks used to allow reports to become inactive. Some reports take a bit of time to set up when you know what you are doing. Saving them twice means all you have to do is load the report that still works, delete the one that doesn't work, and resave it. You can import either individual reports or groups of reports. The commands to import and export reports are on the bottom left of the Memorize Report list. Click Memorize Reports. You see 2 choices: import and export. Let's start with export. You can export one report or one group of reports, but the reports can't have any filter settings unique to this file. We find it easier to set up a special report group, copy the reports into the new group by loading the reports we want to export, renaming them, and removing the filters. You can see the current filters to the right. You can remove them by selecting the filter you want to remove and clicking Remove Selected Filter. The only problem with this is when you import the report into another QuickBooks account, you will have to set up the filters again. When you get on to creating memorized reports, you will find that it does not take long to set up a new report from scratch. Although you export the report stays in the file and only a copy of the .qbr format is exported. Either select one group of reports or one report and export it. To open the QuickBooks file you want to import the group or report into, click Memorize Reports, Import Template, and follow the commands on the screen. When you have the reports in the new QuickBooks file, set the filters so you can view the information you want to see. Thanks for watching this 6-part series on the 22 best tips for creating and memorizing reports. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to email us at info@seecac.com or call us at 604-267-0411.